The house appeared at the edge of the village one winter evening, as if it had grown out of the fog itself. No one remembered seeing it before, yet there it stood, tall and narrow, its windows dark like blind eyes. Aarav noticed it while walking home, the cold air biting into his skin. He told himself it was just an abandoned place he had somehow missed all these years, but the feeling in his chest said otherwise. That night, he dreamed of knocking on a wooden door that slowly opened on its own. From inside came the sound of breathing, slow and patient, as if something was waiting. He woke up drenched in sweat, the echo of that breathing still ringing in his ears. The next evening, curiosity pulled him back. The fog was thicker now, wrapping around the house like a living thing. The door stood open. Aarav hesitated, then stepped inside. The air was warmer than expected and smelled faintly of dust and rot. As the door shut behind him, the sound was final, like a lock clicking into place. The walls were covered with old photographs. Every picture showed the same room from different angles. In every image, a man stood in the corner, his face blurred, his body twisted unnaturally. Aarav's heart pounded when he realized the man's clothes were identical to his own. Footsteps creaked upstairs, slowly, deliberately. Aarav called out, but his voice sounded wrong, stretched and hollow. The footsteps stopped. Silence pressed in from all sides. Then a whisper slid through the room, speaking his name with perfect familiarity. He ran upstairs, driven by panic rather than sense. At the end of the hallway was a mirror, tall and cracked. In it, he saw himself standing behind his own reflection, smiling. The reflection did not move when he did. Instead, it raised its hand and pressed it against the glass from the other side. Pain exploded through Aarav's head. Memories that were not his flooded in. Endless nights, endless waiting. He understood then that the house did not appear randomly. It chose someone to replace what it had lost. When the fog lifted the next morning, villagers noticed a new photograph nailed to the outer wall of the house. It showed a young man standing in the corner, eyes wide with terror. Inside the house, something breathed calmly again, no longer waiting.